Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I would like to show you how to make iterations, for example if and else, in Python. All you need is a Python editor. For this code I set a variable to 2. My if statement sees if a number is 2 or not. If it is, it will print the number is 2. And if it isn't, then it will say it is not 2. Now when you run it, it will say the number is 2. But if you change the variable's value, then when you run it, it will say the number is not 2. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, consider subscribing to the channel. I have also just recently started a Patreon for people who want to support the channel. Being a patron gives access to GitHub files for every upload from now, and more depending on what tier you get. Thank you for watching and bye.